your train.
Get out.
You stay right over here. Norfolk Southern. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 18. That's a slow car. That's a slow train. Oh? Oh? That's a slow train. Norfolk Southern 203 from Rutherford, Pennsylvania to Atlanta, Georgia. Up on the elevator or escalator. Here. There's lots of train. You maybe see more all the way down in Florida. There's tons of trains everywhere. There's gonna be more. There's gonna be around. 203 from Rutherford, Pennsylvania to Atlanta, Georgia. Well, last time we rode Smoky Mountains Railroad. We did Liverville, Colorado. And next is gonna be Dry Round. And an FEC. Hey, bud. Lovely. And next we intro. A lot. So when Patrick gets back, we start in Atlanta by Marta. And when Patrick comes on the airplane, we'll start from Atlanta. There it goes. There goes Norfolk Southern 203 from Rutherford, Pennsylvania to Atlanta, Georgia.